Nollywood actor Kenneth Okonkwo has officially joined the Labour Party ahead of the 2023 general elections. Recall that the movie star had on July 12, 2022 resigned his membership of the ruling All Progressive Congress (APC). Presidential candidate of the Accord Party, Professor Chris Imumulen, has been spotted in pictures kneeling before former President Olusegun Obasanjo for prayers. The professor visited the former president at his residence in Abeokuta, Ogun State. The presidential candidate of the Labour Party, Peter Obi, has met with the leader of the Afeni Ferry Group, Ayo Adebanjo, at his residence in the Lekki area of Lagos alongside the South and Midwest delegates. There are strong indications that the All Progressive Congress presidential candidate, Bola Tinubu, is intensifying efforts to get the support of the Rivers State Governor, Nyesom Wike, for the 2023 presidential poll. Contrary to some online reports that the duo met in France on Tuesday, multiple sources have confirmed that Tinubu and Wike met in London on Monday as part of the moves to work together ahead of the election. It was gathered that some APC and People's Democratic Party governors also attended the crucial meeting. Do you think Wike will support Tinubu?